All right, we just got home and we got a package. So I cut the top off. What do you think it's going to be?
Ta-da!
What is it?
Princess.
A princess? What is it? Open it. What is it? You don't know?
I'm scared.
Okay, take it out. Let's see what it is.
Oh, my
You got a backpack. What kind of backpack is it? Are you gonna wear it?
Yeah.
Let's see what it looks like. Put it on.
Okay. Like this. You put your hand on your fingers.
You put your hand on your fingers. Oh my gosh, look at you. Stand up, let me see. Turn around, let's see. Turn around. Turn around all the way. It's so pretty. Do you like it?
She got me. Grandma got me the more backpack.
What do you say to Grandma?
Thank you.
That's right. You don't say Grandma.
Thank you.
Thank you, and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.